Hi, I'm Charlie Kasov, and this is how to make a graph on soda and tooth decay for a science experiment. Now, it depends on how much soda and how much tooth decay you're wanting to measure, but your simple XY graph will serve. So you create your y-axis and x-axis. In this case, you'd probably want to put tooth decay on your x and soda or soda intake on your y. And then you just want to set regular measurements. So depending, again, on what you're looking for, this could serve as 1 millimeter or 1 cubic millimeter, and this could be, each one would be a liter or liters per day if you want to put rate. But in general, anything you're trying to measure will look regular if it's on a regular XY axis. Thanks a lot.